Because we rarely see in a sort of super cycle that there's a new demand driver coming online.
So, going back to the beginning of this conversation and the cyclicality of the industry, people have been throwing around the term super cycle. Is this just a super cycle, maybe bigger than previous turns that we've seen throughout history? Or do you think something structural has shifted here, perhaps given the rise of AI and the fact that Joe is, using Claude to clean up his desktop?
This is actually a very dangerous question to real. You are basically asking, right, whether this time is different, right? I would say there's kind of difference I'm seeing, right? Because we rarely see in a sort of super cycle that there's a new demand driver coming online. It's not only constrain the demand, this thing is also constrain the supply, right? So I think this is the key difference that we are seeing for this, right? Apparently, the demand accelerations is also last quite long, right? And if you're really starting counting the sort of, I would say, the AI acceleration in terms of demand, probably let's say second half of 2023 when NVIDIA really start kind of emerging in people's attention. That's to now is almost probably let's say 3 years, right? And we are looking at this cycle to last until let's say safely to say second half of 27, right? So we are looking at kind of 4-year cycle. That's quite rare in the history.